Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study from a black book. First, understand its specific purpose for your exam. Is it for practice questions, concept review, or both? Next, identify the key sections and question types it covers. This helps you prioritize. Finally, develop a consistent study schedule. Dedicate specific times each day or week to ensure steady progress and avoid burnout. This structured approach is crucial for effective learning. When using your black book, active engagement is key. Don't just read the questions and answers. Actively try to solve each problem before looking at the solution. If you get an answer wrong, analyze why. Understand the underlying concept, not just the correct option. Creating flashcards for difficult vocabulary, formulas, or tricky concepts will also reinforce your learning. This method ensures deeper understanding and better retention. Consistent review is vital for long-term retention. Regularly revisit material you've already covered to solidify your understanding. Track your performance on practice questions, noting areas where you consistently struggle. This data helps you pinpoint your weak spots. Then, dedicate extra time to revisiting those challenging topics. Keep practicing and reviewing until you feel confident and have achieved mastery in those specific areas. To truly maximize your study, simulate exam conditions. Practice under timed constraints to build endurance and manage pressure effectively. Don't hesitate to use external resources like online tutorials or other textbooks to supplement your black book. They can offer different perspectives or deeper explanations. And for a cleaner study space, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Keep pushing forward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.